What's up guys, are you looking for the best shoe for walking on ice? In this video, we will look at some of the best shoes for walking on ice on the market. So let's get started. Number 1. Columbia Women's Snow Boot. Columbia Women's Ice Maiden 2 Snow Boot is the perfect blend of style and functionality, designed to keep your feet warm, dry, and comfortable even on the coldest of days. Columbia Women's Ice Maiden 2 Snow Boot boasts advanced technology that sets it apart from the competition. The waterproof leather upper is equipped with a seam-sealed membrane bootie construction, ensuring your feet stay dry in wet and snowy conditions. No more worrying about cold, damp feet while you enjoy the winter wonderland. These snow boots are more than just functional, they're also incredibly stylish. With their quilted ankle support, they strike the perfect balance between fashion and function. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or going for a weekend adventure, these boots will complement your outfit and keep you looking great wherever you go. Omni-grip non-marking traction rubber outsole comes into play. It provides excellent traction on a variety of surfaces, ensuring you can confidently navigate slippery sidewalks, icy driveways, and even indoor spaces without leaving marks. You'll feel secure and stable with every step. Number 2. Dreampairs Winter Snow Boots. Dreampairs Women's Mid-Calf Waterproof Winter Snow Boots offer both style and functionality to keep your feet warm and comfortable during the coldest months. One of the standout features of Dreampairs Winter Snow Boots is their ultra-soft faux fur lining and insole. Slip your feet into these boots, and you'll experience unparalleled comfort. Whether you're walking through snow-covered streets or standing for extended periods, these boots will keep your feet cozy and comfortable. Finding the right fit is crucial when it comes to footwear. These snow boots are designed to provide an excellent fit for most individuals. They are true to size, and even wide-width customers will find them accommodating. For those with wider feet, it's recommended to order one size up to ensure a comfortable fit that doesn't compromise on style. Navigating icy and slippery surfaces can be a challenge during the winter. Dreampairs Winter Snow Boots feature a durable EVA rubber outsole with a tread design that delivers excellent traction. Whether you're walking on snow, slush, or icy sidewalks, you can trust that these boots will help keep you stable and secure. Number 3. Mishansha Outdoor Winter Boots. When it comes to facing the winter chill and staying stylish, Mishansha Outdoor Winter Boots are your go-to option. These boots are not only designed to keep you warm but also ensure you look fashionable while doing so. Mishansha understands the importance of aesthetics without compromising on ethics. These high-top snow boots boast a classic design enhanced with an elastic lacing system and an artificial leather vamp. While the boots look like genuine leather, they are made from artificial leather, aligning with Mishansha's commitment to environmental protection and animal welfare. By choosing these boots, you contribute to a sustainable and compassionate future. One of the key features of Mishansha's winter boots is the TPR toe cap. Crafted from improved rubber material, this toe cap offers superior slip resistance and protection for your feet. These boots are not just for fashion, they can also serve as reliable work shoes, ensuring your safety even in slippery conditions. Number 4. Gracosy Women's Snow Boots. When it comes to surviving the winter cold with both style and comfort, Gracosy Women's Snow Boots have got you covered. These boots are not just a fashion statement, they are designed to provide warmth, durability, and practicality for all your winter adventures. Gracosy snow boots are crafted with the utmost care and attention to detail. They feature a waterproof upper to keep your feet dry, even in wet and snowy conditions. The rubber sole ensures durability and excellent grip, making them suitable for outdoor activities in winter. The fully fur-lined interior guarantees a cozy and warm experience, making these boots your go-to choice when the temperature drops. Whether you're staying indoors or venturing outdoors in the chilly winter months, Gracosy snow boots are your reliable companions. Number 5. Muck Boot Women's Snow Boot. When it comes to tackling winter's harshest conditions, the Muck Boot Women's Snow Boot is your dependable partner. These boots offer more than just style, they provide the durability, protection, and comfort needed to conquer snow and ice with ease. A Muck boot is synonymous with quality, and their women's snow boot is no exception. Imported with precision and craftsmanship, these boots are built to withstand the toughest winter conditions. The rubber sole ensures long-lasting wear and superior traction, making them ideal for icy terrains. When it's wet and snowy outside, you need footwear that guarantees dry feet. Muck Boot Snow Boot delivers on this promise with its 100% waterproof construction. No matter how deep the snow or slush, your feet will stay comfortably dry, ensuring you can enjoy winter activities to the fullest. Protection is paramount when braving the winter elements. Muck Boot understands this, which is why their snow boot features an extended rubber exterior. This extra layer provides added protection against cold, moisture, and anything else the winter may throw your way. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.